For today is tape measure or measuring tape. This is a tape measure. A tape measure is a flexible tool used for measuring the length or distance of the body or the fabric. This is a flexible curve. It is very flexible, as you can see. It has inches side and cm side. The inches side ends at 20 inches, and the cm side ends at 50 cm. As you can see in the video, it's very flexible. It is quite flexible. You can use it to measure the curvy parts on your pattern. This is another tape measure. This has inches and cm side. The inches side ends at 120 inches and the cm side ends at 300 cm. This is another one. It has inches and cm side. The inches side ends at 60 and the cm side ends at 150. This is a powerful tool in your sewing. It helps you to make an accurate measurement. And now you know. Teach someone else and see you tomorrow.